My dear farmers, I am Dr. Kishan Chandra. Today, I want to discuss to you about very critical point, that is our soil fertility. As we all know, soil is deteriorating day by day. But recently I have visited in Kolhapur, in Maharashtra. Their farmers are cultivating the sugarcane from years to years. And their excess use of chemicals. Why I am telling excess use? Because whatever the recommended dose of the urea, DAP, MOP has been given, provided by the district officers, state governments, universities or any institutes. So they are not following that, but they are putting the excess quantity and they are not putting even manure. The result is now their soil is totally dead. There is no crop is growing in the soil. And I am very surprised to see soil is so bad. If you want to break a dry soil, a small piece, you are not able to break it easily. It needs some hammering. So it is a compact, very hard soil. No bacterial activity is there. It is dead soil, because when it is no bacteria or bacteria, useful bacteria is not there, that we call the dead soil. It is totally spoiled and they are not able to get anything. So results, what is happening there? They have used excess chemicals. So now whatever the water they are putting for the crop, it goes stagnate below 3 feet or 4 feet in their field itself, and it is waterlogged condition, because all the porosity, all the holes of your soil is closed. And even if you put some water in the soil, you will find just like elastic effect in the soil. So that shows it is totally compact and lot of chemicals are inside. Even your hand will become just like salty. Soil pH is very high. It is more than 8.5. EC, electrical conductivity, is very high, because when you are putting excess chemicals, the electrical conductivity became very high. So all the worst things are there, and so they are not able to produce a good crop. It is totally dead. So there is a one Datta Sugar Chemicals, they are doing very good work. They have come forward and they are sucking the water 3 feet from 3 feet below. The water is stagnant, and they are sucking it with the pumps and doing regenerating the soil. But that is a temporary solution, because it cannot be, unless physical and chemical condition is not changed in the soil, it is useless. They will not get good yield or fertility back in the soil. So what we have to do? So that I want to discuss and give you some solution. Believe me, if you do it, your results will be visible in 2 months. You are going to save your soil. There is no other method to change your soil. Some methods are there, that is very costly. What people are doing, they are putting the manure, tons and tons. If you need change the 1 acre of land, this type of land, which is a compact land, you have to put 1,000 tons, 1 lakh tons of the manure, cow dung or any manure in the soil, and getting 1 lakh metric ton of the this dung material, it needs 2 lakh metric ton of fresh dung, because when it is decomposed, it became half. So it is not possible. Or you have to put cow urine more than 1 lakh liter. That will also change some soils up to some extent. So this is not the solution, because it is impossible. So what we have to do other way? So my firm belief, and we have changed the soil from years to years, I have seen it. It is reported by the farmers. So you have to go the treatment with the liquid waste decomposer. What you call liquid waste decomposer or thorough waste decomposer. It is same, just you can see it. This waste decomposer will give you the magical results, but your use is different. That I am going to discuss with you. How to use this liquid waste decomposer in the dead soil, and how it will bring you back to the normal condition or increase the good fertility of the soil. I again assured you, results are sure. You do as I am going to discuss to you, and then see the magical results. Within 2 months, you are able to notice the changes. What you have to do? Before applying this waste decomposer, first you test your soil, test your pH, test your EC, test your R parameter, nitrogen, phosphorus, potash, bacterial activity, bacterial load that we call, or any other micronutrient that also test. Everything you test it. Whatever available facilities are nearby your lab, you can test it, or you can take the help of your sugarcane factory, because in Kolhapur it is near. They are extending the services to the farmers free of cost. That you can take the help, and because they have shown me lot of results in soil results of nearby, and I have visited along with them only, and really it is eye-opening to see the soil, how dead soil is doing and how they are working on it. Very hard working are doing it by the Datta Soil Factory. And we all know the same condition is also in our Bathinda. Both places are affected with the excess use of chemical, and people are suffering from the cancers, and each and every house is affected with this cancer disease. So how to cope with them? This is solution I am going to tell you. What you have to do, you have to take the plastic drum of 5,000 liter 2 drum or 10,000 liter 1 drum. Or you can do, you make a duct pit in the field itself and put polythene, black polythene inside. Now what you have to do? You take 10,000 liter of your water, put there jaggery. Generally I am telling for 100 liter 1 kg, but here it is a special case. 10,000 liter is required 100 kg, but you have to put 200 kg. Remind it 200 kg jaggery. Or in place of jaggery, you can put 400 liter of sugarcane juice. 400 liter of sugarcane juice for 10,000 liter of water, or 200 kg of jaggery for 10,000 liter of water. Now this bottle, you have to take 20 bottles, because high concentration is required, and for that you need immediate action. Within 2 months, if you want to take the action, you use it 20 bottle in 10,000 liter of water, where we have already put the jaggery. And if you have electricity there, then you put the one pump so that it can resuffle it. You will see after 1 week, maximum 10 days it is ready. After 10 days, because temperature is high, 10 days it is ready. That solution we have to use in the 1 acre of land. Now other option what you have to, other things what you have to do, add it. You bring cow dung, 5,000 kg of cow dung, or trolley what you call where you are putting the sugar cane, that trolley, take a 20 trolley of cow dung. It is very preferable you can take a cow dung. If cow dung is not available, then you can go for the buffalo dung or any other dung. That is 20 trolley or 5,000 kg. What you have to put in a small bunches, just spread it, place in 1 acre land this cow dung first. One place you have put suppose 500 kg, other place some 10 feet, 20 feet away, just like in total field you have to put this cow dung, so that it can be spread in the total area. Now your solution is ready. That solution you have to mix with the water, with the running water, put it drop by drop, or just start the pump. Let that 10,000 of solution has to go in the 1 acre of. When it is going in 1 acre of land, it will mix with the cow dung. And this treatment is first day when you are doing. Suppose you are doing today, it will count the 0 day. Means first treatment. So 0 day. So 0 day when you are doing it, you will see when, and one thing you have to ensure, 1 acre land, you have to put the boundary. Boundary is already there, so that water cannot just carry over to other field or loss outside. So you have to make it sure all 10,000 liter water should be in the 1 acre of land. And because your soil is, there is no porosity, it is already dead. So whatever water you are putting, it will go in the field and it will be remain stagnate. Maybe 7 days, 10 days, 15 days. Depends upon your soil. But it will remain there in your soils because it will not go inside, because your soil is totally dead. So let it be going down in 7 days, 10 days, that doesn't matter. But what you have to do, this is the first treatment is over. Again after first treatment, 10 days, after 10 days, you have to, your pit or drum, again you have to put 10,000 liter of water. Again you have to put 200 kg of jaggery or 400 liter of sugarcane juice, along with again 20 bottle. First 20 bottle you have to again take it and put it inside. Again multiply with the pump. It will again ready in 10 days. So when your treatment, this first treatment you have given, after 21 days your material is again ready. Then you again bring the 5 tons of cow dung or any manure. If cow dung is not available, any dung is not available, then you can take a compost. Any your crop waste 5 tons, or you can take a pressment also, 5 tons pressment as such. Cow dung when you are taking or any dung, it is fresh. Always take fresh and use it in the field. Then again 5 tons you are putting in the field. With other places where you have, one place you have put the cow dung earlier, just you shift the other place nearby and you again put the cow dung. So 5 ton cow dung is already ready in the field at 21 days. Then again you pass 10,000 liter of water, 10,000 of waste decomposed solution along with water. Let it go in the field. So what you have to observe it now. First treatment when you did, water is stagnating up to 7 days, 8 days, 10 days. Now it will become half. Suppose 10 days water is stagnating, now it will come to 5 days. If it is 14 days, it will come to 7 days. Half day will come down. That indicates that this solution or treatment what you are doing, it is working. So after second treatment, when you have done at 21 days, you again make, after 10 days again you start preparation of waste decomposer, or immediate you can start the waste decomposer 10,000 liter again, because you are going again for repeating third treatment. 3 treatment is required per acre for any dead soil. So again you have to take this water, 20 water, put in 10,000 liter of solution, water in 10,000 liter water, you put 200 kg of jaggery or 400 liter of sugarcane juice. This 20 bottle, that is must. 20 bottle you have to put inside, and again start the pump. It will multiply. Within 10 days it will multiply. Then you put 5 tons of cow dung or any manure in the field. 5 tons is required. Pass the again waste decomposer solution 10,000 along with water in the field. Now you will change the drastic change, unbelievable results. You will see the water will be percolated very fast in a day or two. If it is second time treatment, it has given 5 days or 3 days, it will again half. And if your soil is good, within an hour you will not able to see the water outside. So it will just break all the chemicals, whatever the chain is there, which are giving the toxic effect. It will break it. It will make in ionic form, and soil will start totally changing in the fertility system. So this treatment, after this treatment, you have to take the soil at 60 days, because once you have given the first treatment 0 days, second treatment 21 days, third treatment you have given in 42 days. So at 42 days when you have given, again wait for the 10 days, and when it is 60 days is over, then you have to take the soil and test it. Test it in any laboratory. Same parameter you see. What you have done earlier, pH, electricity, nitrogen, phosphorus, potash, micronutrient, everything what you have done, again you test it. And main thing, porosity, water holding capacity. Then again you see your soil, whether earthworm are generated or not. If your soil has got earthworm, it means your soil is good. It has started changing. Because earthworm will come when your soil is changing, it is turning to the toxicity is removed. So that is a way to bring your soil back to the fertility. So this treatment you have done. So after this 60 days you can sow any crop. Then what you have to do? Now you reduce the quantity of the liquid waste decomposer. Now you take only one bottle. One bottle you make a waste decomposer, but if it is something is left that you can also take it solution and put. Now you need every irrigation in the crop 3,000 liter waste decomposer. You make a micronutrient with the help of our pulses, 3 pulses and 2 oil seed that I have described in the many videos. You make a micronutrient, then you make a stone element, and then leaves extract. All together 3,000 liter waste decomposer, 300 liter micronutrient, 300 liter your leaves extract, 300 liter stone extract. All you have to take it, mix it, and every irrigation you have to give it in the soil. Your soil will be day by day, it will improve. Your fertility will come back. Within 1 year you will see your soil became very soft and everything will be available in the soil. So it will change your total system, and then whatever crop you are growing, it will grow like your back days, what you are doing in earlier in 50-60 years back. So this treatment, I request everyone, please do it. One treatment you do, give me one chance to improve your soil. Don't come in impression of any person who is confusing it. Do it once. There is no harm. It will give you only benefits. And magical results is promised. You will see the magical change in the field. And don't mix anything with it. Whatever I told, believe me and use it. Give me 60 days and see the soil. Once your soil is changed, it is 100% change. Because if soil is very dead, then it will take more time. So it will slowly it will change. But if your soil is your medium type spoil, it will change very quickly. But 3 treatment you have to do. If your soil is changed, even then you have to do 3 treatment. Then you have to go normal course. and magical change will see. Soil will be totally soft. So please do it. Make a video first when you are doing the treatment, then again when you have got the results, and share with me, share with your colleagues, so that they will also get the benefit. And this same treatment you can do in coastal area where the soil is already having lot of your sodium. So that will also control. You will see the soil when you are giving this treatment, all the salt will come upside, and that you can remove it. And slowly it will remove everything. And your soil became so porous, it will go in the deep. It will change up to your 6 feet, 7 feet, 8 feet, 10 feet. Total soil will change. The organic carbon will be start increasing. Every magical results you will see. So, but 60 days change of soil. Then improvement will take time. It may take 6 months. It may take 1 year. But it is sure. There is no ifs and buts. Results are sure. If you are not getting results, then you can ask. Believe me. Give me some time. On my some words, please use it, save your soil, and see the magical change. It is for all type of soil. Anywhere soil is not performing, not fertility is destroyed, everywhere you can do. If even soil you have used lot of chemicals, there also you can do 1 treatment, 2 treatment. But where dead is soil, is 3 treatment is essential. So I believe you will do the things, and the magical results you will come back and report to me, so that I can share with others, and all the people, all my farmers, other farmers, they will also enjoy. And once you get the results, please make the video in your local language, so that others will also get the maximum benefit, because my limitation is Hindi or English, but you can share it in a better way. Thank you very much.